Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to calculate sine values. Specifically, we will look at how to find the sine ratio in a right-angled triangle. This is a fundamental concept in trigonometry that is used in fields ranging from engineering to computer graphics. First, let's identify the parts of a right-angled triangle. The most important step is to look at your reference angle, theta. The side opposite the 90-degree angle is always the hypotenuse. It's the longest side. The side directly across from theta is the opposite side, and the side next to theta is the adjacent side. To remember how to calculate sine, we use the first part of the famous mnemonic SO, CAHTOA. The part we care about today is SOH. This stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Here is the formula written out. Sine of theta is equal to the length of the opposite side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. You ignore the adjacent side completely when calculating sine. Let's try an example. Here we have a triangle with sides 3, 4, and 5. First, locate our angle theta at the bottom left. Across from it, the opposite side has a length of 3. The longest side, the hypotenuse, has a length of 5. Now we plug those numbers into our formula. Opposite divided by hypotenuse becomes 3 divided by 5. When we calculate that fraction, we get 0.6. So, the sine of this angle is 0.6. Let's look at a triangle that is standing up. Notice the angle theta is now at the top vertex. This changes which side is opposite. The side facing the angle is at the bottom, with a length of 5. The longest side, the hypotenuse, is 13. We apply the same formula. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. That gives us 5 divided by 13. If you type that into a calculator, you get approximately 0.3846. There are some standard angles you will see often in geometry. For 30 degrees, the sine is exactly 0.5. For 45 degrees, it is about 0.707. And for 60 degrees, it is about 0.866. At 90 degrees, the sine value is 1. To recap, calculating sine is a simple 3-step process. 1. Locate your angle. 2. Identify the opposite side and the hypotenuse. And 3. Divide the opposite by the hypotenuse. Just remember SOH.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.